Hello, my name is Khoa. I'm 9 years old. Today I will tell about wild cats. There are wild cats all around the world. Cats live in cold places and in hot places. Cats live on the ground and in trees. The snow leopard is a big cat. It lives in snowy mountains. It has thick fur to stay warm. The magpie lives in a rainforest. It climbs well, and it lives in trees. The black-footed cat is a little cat. It lives in hot places. It can't climb well. It lives in holes in the ground. That's the end of the presentation. Goodbye.